Hungarian.
Oh, I'm Australian. I'm half Filipino, half kangaroo.
I'm Hungarian, but Pinoy.
Oh, great. Now, let me ask you for this reason, Simon Susie, how has social media influenced the marketing strategies in Philippine tourism? What can you say, Simon?
I believe the main strategy is inspiration. Because nowadays, when someone is planning a trip where to go, the first place they go is social media. So the local tourism is using it really well to inspire people to come to the Philippines in the first place. And once they decide to provide information on places to visit.
What do you think are some of the innovative ways? Because innovation is very crucial, especially now in this age that we have social media and the internet. The rule now in doing business, even in tourism, is you innovate or you evaporate. That's the only rule, right? So what do you think are some of the innovative ways that the Philippine tourism businesses can utilize using social media to attract visitors or promote destination?
I believe the main point that they should use is provide like point of view experience, not just before social media. A lot of the advertisements were really like advertisements, but nowadays with social media, there's a lot of ways to show like point of view to real life experiences that can inspire people. So for me, I'm a content creator myself, and I really like to just show what happens, not show an advertisement, but show